In this video I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Roblox profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Roblox application and there hit at three dots icon. Next scroll down for a bit until you find settings. There tap at account info. And now scroll down to the very bottom where you can find social networks. Here you can paste links on your social networks like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch and Gwilded. And also here you can tap at visible to where it says no one by default. You can tap there and change it to everyone, or friends, users I follow and followers, friends and users I follow, or just friends. I'll set it to everyone, and now I can paste here links on my social profiles, and after that just tap here at save button to save the changes. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.